What's up, Wonders of London? Fans, friends, those checking out our page. Welcome to another short video right here in the heart of the city of London. I am by the Tower and we're just going to take a look at Trinity Square Gardens. Joining me just outside Tower Hill Station, we do have the Tower Hill tram, place where you can get yourself a coffee, a drink, or a burger or a snack. Of course, these helpful little maps will show you where you are in the city. This will take you down to the monument and Tower Pier, and then up here we'll take you up to Fenchurch Street, and beyond that Whitechapel and the neighbouring district of Shoreditch. Shoreditch and Whitechapel is indeed where you would see Jack the Ripper tours. You can check out our own Wonders of London Jack the Ripper tour starting from Tower Gateway Station. Guys, welcome to Trinity Square Gardens, where they have a beautiful memorial for merchant sailors. These are sailors that gave their lives, their vessels, their ships in World War I and World War II, and many of them forgotten, and many of them had their graves at sea. There's also a pub, Wetherspoon's Cheap and Cheerful pub, so if you're walking around the area and you fancy grabbing yourself a little drink after, a couple of little benches, and you can go and pass the time away. I'm having to squint today because it's such a beautiful day. And not too warm for us here in December in London. Guys, thanks for taking a little short look with me at Trinity Square Gardens. We'll be back exploring London very soon. Peace out and take care.